Just subscribe the button and click the bell icon and go to the and just click the link below for everything. Hello friend, in this video I will show you how to add another account on Instagram. So you have to just open the Instagram, okay? When you open, just scrolling and waste your time with it. Just go to your profile, okay? This is your profile. You have to click this, okay? When you click this, there is your option. There is the plus option here, okay? When you click this, there is a create reel, post, story, highlight. Like there is no option that you can add any account. So just click on your profile, double. What you do, just click your profile by 2 times or just hold your profile, okay? When you hold your account, then so it's easy, just hold it and after click on the add account, okay? So you have to log in into existing account, okay? If you have any account, so now see, there is a sign up login. There is another account which I have mentioned here. If I click on the login, you have to click the password here and you click switch account. For example, I have already added this account, okay? But if you have not this account added, you have to click on the switch account, and or you don't need, but you also come this page without any switching. Just what you do, you have to click the your profile, hold your profile. After holding, just click on the add account. When you click on the add account, go to log in to existing account, okay? And just you will come back to this page and you have to enter your phone number, password, and enter this, okay? When you enter this, for example, I enter this, I don't know now a password, but what can do, I just let's wait for a second. I am logging it and show you how it's work, okay? So it will log in it, but now it's logging, okay? Now when it's login, then you can use it, but now I have don't know my password, that's why. So this is so simple method, just follow it. Thanks for watching.